Welcome in linear equation part 6 for class 10. In this part, we want to solve two more problems on linear equation. Questions are already written for you. First question, 2 within bracket ax minus by plus a plus 4b equal to 0, and second equation is 2 bx plus ay within bracket plus b minus 4a equal to 0. This is a system of linear equation. This is a linear equation, this is a linear equation. So combinedly it is a system of linear equation and we want to solve it. Means we have to find the value of x and y. See, first of all you should write given equation is, what is the given equation? Let us write 2ax minus 2by. Can you write this? Okay, and write the remaining terms other side, minus a minus 4b, both that side, and take it as equation number 1. This is your first equation. Second equation is 2bx plus 2ay equal to minus b plus 4a. Take it equation number 2. Can you write in this way? Now it will be easier if you solve by equating coefficients, because coefficients are almost similar. So try to make coefficients of either a or b same. See, here it is 2b, here it is 2a. Can you make them same? If you multiply this equation by a, it becomes 2ab, and if you multiply this equation by b, it becomes 2ab. Then by adding the term containing y can be cancelled, then x will come from there. So what will you do? Multiplying 1 by a, then here it will be 2ab. Now here a, so multiplying 1 by a and 2 also by b, then see what will happen. Multiplying this by a, 2a square x, here it is 2aby, this side also multiply this side also by a, minus a square minus 4ab. Take it equation number 3. Multiply this by b, 2, if you multiply this by b, 2b square x, here it is 2a already there, if you multiply it by b, 2ab y. This side also by b, then b square minus b square plus 4ab. Take it equation number 4. Now here coefficient of y same with opposite sign. So now adding, let us add. If you add, plus minus will cancel, and add these two, x common within bracket, 2 also can be taken as common, within bracket you will get a square plus b square, and this side if you add, these two will cancel, and minus a square minus b square, you are adding, so sign will not change, and minus can be taken as common, then it becomes a square plus b square within bracket. Now this bracket can be cancelled, so we will get 2x equal to, what is here, minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Here cancel means minus 1 will left, 2x equal to minus 1, so x equal to minus 1 by 2. x is minus 1 by 2. Now we substitute this value of x either in 1 or in 2. You may substitute in 3 and 4 also to get the value of y. So let us substitute from 1 in this equation. 2ax in place of x you will write minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 2by equal to minus a minus 4b. From here you have to calculate the value of y. So let us see what is coming. This 2 can be cancelled, so it is minus a minus 2by equal to minus a minus 4b. Here this minus a can be cancelled, because this minus a will come this side, then become plus a, and plus a minus a can be cancelled. So we are getting minus 2by equal to minus 4b. Here minus minus can be cancelled from both sides, and from here y can be calculated as 4b by 2b. So b cancel, 4 by 2, 2. So in this way x equal to minus half and y equal to 2 will be the answer for this system of linear equation. I hope you people have understand it. Now let us come to the second problem. Second problem is b by ax plus a by by equal to a square plus b square. So here also you will write, given equation, or two equations are there, then you write given equations are. In the previous question, if it is equation written, then make it equations. Given equations are. Here take AB as LCM. If you take AB as LCM, then here it becomes b square x. देखिए AB LCM होगा तो फिर we divide AB by this a, b will left, b will multiply with this b, then this become b square x plus a square y, and this AB will multiply that side, AB a square plus b square. In this way you can take. Okay, LCM AB, and that AB will multiply other side. And second equation is x plus y equal to 2AB. Take it equation number 2. So let me rough this full now. See, here now try to make the coefficient of either x or y same. Here coefficient of x is b square, here coefficient of x is 1. So try to make here coefficient of x equal. So in order to make coefficient of y same, you have to multiply second equation by b square, and first equation no need to do anything. So you will write simply multiplying second equation by b square and 1 by nothing means it is, you can write 1. So multiply first by 1. So b square x plus a square y equal to AB a square plus b square. Write it equation number 3. Now multiply this second equation by b square. to make the coefficient of x same, so it becomes b square x, and here also b square y, and this side also by b square, then this becomes 2 ab into b square, so a b cube. We multiply this by b square, then it becomes b cube, 2a b cube. Take it equation number 4. Now see, coefficient of x same. This is our purpose, to make coefficient of x same. Now if coefficient of x same, if you subtract, this term can be cancelled, means x term can be cancelled, then y can be calculated from the remaining things. So subtracting here, both the sign are same, so subtracting. So this will also become minus, this is plus, so this become minus. Subtracting means after changing the sign, adding. Now plus minus cancel. Here y common, you will get a square minus b square in bracket, and here multiply it, a cube b plus a b cube and minus 2a b cube. This will be, so a cube b, a b cube minus 2a b cube minus a b cube, a b cube minus 2a b cube, plus minus minus, sign will be of bigger, so it is 1a b cube minus 2a b cube minus a b cube, and here you see a b can be taken as common. If you take a b common, then within bracket a square, and here a b common, then minus b square, in this way. So we are getting y within bracket a square minus b square equal to ab a square minus b square. This a square minus b square can be cancelled, so y equal to, what will left, ab is the one answer, y equal to ab. Now by substituting this value of y either in 1 or in 2, we can get the value of x. So it will be easier if you substitute in 2. So we can substitute either in 1 or in 2, but it will be easier to calculate x from this equation number 2. X plus y, in place of y we write ab equal to 2ab this side. Okay, so what will come? This x will be 2ab minus ab, so this is also ab. Y was ab, x is also coming ab, so x equal to ab, y equal to ab are the answer for this system of linear equation. This type of problems are given in your book. So now I hope you people can solve yourself the problems given in your book. Okay, so first try to solve these questions, try to understand, and then after you try yourself from your textbook. So in this video this much. In the next part, in part 7, we solve some application problems, means application of system of linear equation for solving real life problems. So that is very, very important for you. So go on watching linear equation in 2 variable. Thank you for watching.